welcome to the Coed Lleol YouTube channel. My name is Karen and today I'm going to take you through a little circuit exercise. But myself and Caddy the dog have brought you outdoors, okay, to show you what you can do. This exercise circuit though can be done inside in your home, in your garden, or like we are outside in the woods. For this circuit you can use some weighted items or you can just use your body weight. Okay, if you're at home, grab yourself a couple of tins or a couple of bottles of water, or if you're outdoors you can grab some branches or stones, or like I said, we can just do body weight, which I'm going to show you today. These exercises can also be done seated, so if you need to, grab yourself a chair and you can do all these exercises sitting down, or you can combine the two between standing and sitting depending on what the exercise is and how hard you feel you're working. Okay? Before we start the exercise circuit, we're going to take you through a little warm-up first, just to make sure our joints are all prepared, and we're going to raise that heart rate a little bit. Okay, so nice and easy to start. We're just going to open and close the arms. Give yourself a big hug, and then stretch them open. Okay, so nice and gently to start with. And as you start feeling yourself warming up, you can take them that little bit bigger, stretch that a little bit further back, bring them further across the front of your body. Okay, try and keep your shoulders down as well, so don't let them hunch up towards your ears. I'm just going to start working through the shoulders. Open up the chest, a little bit through the back. Okay, the next one then, we're going to go up and down. So same thing with the arms again. It's up and bringing them down towards the floor. Some nice swinging motions from the side. Same thing again, so as you start stretching, you start taking that a little bit further. Stay within your range, so don't try and stretch too far. And again, you should start feeling your heart rate increasing ever so slightly as we're going. There we go. Okay, so around the trunk this time, so we're going to do some rotations, just going to get some little twists, side to side. That's it. And again, once you start warming up a little bit freer, you can start going that little bit further round. Good, okay, then we're going to move on to the legs. So for this one, we're going to hold on to the tree by the side of me. I'm going to get some leg swings. So on this one, you can hold on to the back of the chair or the wall, anything stable close by. We're just going to get some little swings going, okay? So working through the hip, a little bit of a hamstring stretch at the back. And again, just mobilising those joints. And as with all the other exercises as well, once you start feeling a little bit warmer around that area, you can start taking it a little bit further. Okay, and then we're going to switch. We can do the same on the other leg. So open and close. Stretch it up, kick it back, and again just increase it slightly as you start to warm up. Okay, one bit of mobility, so wrist wise, we're just going to rotate them because you might be using some form of weight through this circuit. Just make sure those wrists are prepared. So let's get some circles going, all hands together and roll. Okay, and then we're going to do the ankles this time. Again, hold on to something stable, get some ankle rolls going, or pointing up and down. Again, staying within your range, keeping what's comfortable for you. There we go, and the same on the other foot. Get all the clicks out of the way. There we go. Okay, now the last one again, just to raise that heart rate, we're just going to get a march on the spot. Some nice high knees, big arms. Okay, and if you're feeling energetic, you can take it into a bit of a jog. A little bit of a jog on the spot. Superb. Okay, warm up done. Now we'll take you through the circuit. So today's circuit, I'm going to show you 5 exercises. As I previously said, you can do them standing, you can do them all seated, or you can do a combination of the two. Okay, so 5 exercises. We're going to work on time for this one. So you're going to set your stopwatch. You've got one on your phone, or you've got one on your watch. Okay, we're going to work for 40 seconds on each exercise. Once you complete your 40 seconds, you'll have 20 seconds rest and prepare for the next exercise. Okay, so through those 40 seconds, it's up to you how hard you work. So if you want to work really hard, you're going to increase the number of reps that you're going to do within that 40 seconds. Okay, depending on where your fitness level is, To regress, just slow them down a little bit, just concentrate on the form, just get fewer reps in and just work within that time frame. Okay, this exercise, standing mountain climbers. This one's going to increase your heart rate. So we're going to be using arms and legs together. We're going to start off opposite arm up with the leg nice and high. We're going to drive the knees up and we're going to reach up as high as we can with those arms. Okay, so we're going to that big reach, fast feet, reaching up as high as possible. Okay, to regress, just slow them down, slow down the march, but try and keep that big reach going. If you want to increase the intensity, take it into a run. Dog enjoys that one. Here is a seated version of a mountain climbers. Again, alternate leg lift with a big reach up overhead. Okay, this exercise is an A-frame woodshop. Alright, so for this one you're going to need some form of object. Again, your water bottle, tin, or any sort of object you've got around the house. Okay, you can use one or you can have two at the same time for this one. Alright, so it's a little bit of a rotation one, so we're taking it down from the hip, driving up above your head, down to the opposite hip. Okay, so we're getting some nice momentum going, driving up, straight arms on the way up, get a little bit of a squat and a twist as you're coming down to that hip. Okay, so from the side, taking it down, up, getting some rotation in with a twist. Seated version of A-frame woodshop, this time with a couple of tins, add a little bit of weight, same movement as standing, down from one hip, drive up overhead, taking it down to the other side. Nice, smooth movement, one side to the other. Alternate press. Again, if we've got weighted items, we're going to use them for here, okay? If not, we'll just do body weight as I'm going to do today. Alright? So, alternate press. So one hand up at a time, reaching up towards the ceiling, okay? Or up towards the sky. So with these, again, increasing the intensity, add some weighted items. 40 seconds of these, you'll start to feel them working. I'm just going to keep reaching up. Body weight for these as well. Increase the intensity if it is body weight. Just pick up that pace. Looking to hit more reps into that time frame. That's your alternate press. Here's the seated alternate press. We're using tins again for this one for some weight. Sitting towards the edge of the seat, tummy nice and tight, hands shoulder height, and driving them up above the head. Left, right, left, right. Squats or sit to stand. If you did the previous exercise video, you'll have done these before. Okay, so I'm going to show you the squats first. Alright, so feet planting the floor. We're looking at roughly shoulder width apart, okay? You're going to take yourself down, so bum is going back and down, and then we're driving back up. Okay, making sure our feet are firmly into the floor. I'm going to try and drive up through the heels, and as we raise to the top, you give those bum muscles a squeeze. Okay, so from the side, we're sitting down as if there's a chair behind, taking ourselves down and driving back up. Then down, push through the heels, bum tight at the top, push your nose hips forward. Increase the intensity, increase the reps that you fit in your 40 seconds. If need be, slow down, or we'll take you through the sit to stand as an alternative. And here's your seated sit to stand version. Down from the chair, drive heels through the floor, up to stand, squeeze bum at the top, and then lower yourself back down, nice steady down to the chair, and then drive back up through those heels. Alternately, we can go leg extensions if we can't do sit to stand, so we can stick to one side, or we can alternate left to right, so we're just squeezing through the top of that leg there. Okay, so this one's going to be for your shoulders. If you have any weighted objects, you can use them for this one. If it's just body weight, we'll just go body weight, that's absolutely fine. Okay, so we're working the shoulders on this one, so a front raise into a lateral raise, okay? So bringing arms into the front and out to the back. Okay, nice and steady, so working on the shoulders. So when we're doing this again, make sure that shoulders are staying down and they're not creeping up towards the ears. You want to concentrate on the shoulders staying down. I'm just reaching side and front. Okay, side and front. Again, to increase the intensity, grab yourself some weights. You're not going to need them too heavy for this one. 40 seconds of these, you'll soon start to feel those shoulders burning. And the seated version here, where we've added weights onto this one again, so we're using those tins. Again, you can use any weight that you want with this water bottles or anything else you can find outdoors. Remember to keep those shoulders down, so don't let them ride up towards those ears. Keeping that tummy nice and tight, sitting up tall as you go. So there's your exercises for today's circuit. Remember, each exercise is going to be done for 40 seconds and then you're going to rest for 20 seconds in between and set yourself up for the following exercise. Okay? You can complete the exercise for one circuit, which would be 5 minutes. To increase that, just repeat the exercise. So you can go 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes if you want to take it a little bit longer. Okay? Stay within your range, so don't try and push too much. If you're feeling discomfort through any of the exercises, please stop. Skip if you're feeling really uncomfortable with any of them. Just complete the ones that you can. Okay? There's different ranges in there that you can increase the intensity or lower it slightly. Remember, it's done by time, so you don't need to worry about trying to count how many reps that you've done. Okay? Hope you've enjoyed it. Subscribe to the Coed Lleol YouTube channel. Hopefully on there you'll find out some more videos that can keep you physically active and mentally active as well. My name's Karen. Thank you for joining.